So hello guys, today's topic is POWL. So we can see what is POWL. POWL stands for Personal Object Worklist. It's just like you can compare with ALV, in which we have different selection screen, but this POWL is totally based upon Web and Pro application. So it is Web and Pro application. It is used for standard UI rendering of business data. So personal object worklist POWL is an end user daily worklist query introduced by SAP as an innovation in the new dimensional product such as SAP TM. So POWL provide user with a general overview of their work environment and all the related business objects that they would be interested to work on. It enables them to manage their work by bringing together object assignment from a different system. So today we will see how POWL is visible in TM system. We will take an example of freight unit work list. So this is a NWVC transaction in which if you go in planning tab and overview planning, so here you can see these are the active queries, uh, one for the freight unit, another for transportation unit, like that. So currently uh, we can see this uh, freight unit query is displaying. So it is displaying 500 entries. So if you want to see the selection screen for this, you have to go in this change query. So here you can see we have multiple of select option, and here it is shown that 500 record maximum. You can change as per your requirement, then apply. Then you can see the freight unit uh, work list. Now the requirement is we want to add one custom column here in standard freight unit work list. For that we have business scenario to add custom field transportation mode in active query in the POWL presentation planning. So we have some steps that we need to follow. So first step is to get application ID and POWL type using function module this. So you can copy this function module and you go in SE37. So this is SE37 transaction in which I will paste this POWL query refresh uh, function module, press on display. So here in line number here, if you can see it, when it is getting object here you can put your session breakpoint to get what is the application ID and what is the type for this particular POWL. So I am refreshing this, and the debug is will trigger. Here you can see debugger is trigger, and if you click on application ID and application type, this is the application ID and this is the application type. Note it down somewhere. Now second step is we have to go in this transaction code POWL underscore cockpit, and we will search for that application ID that we got from the previous step and type. So let me copy this. Let me go to SAP transaction. So this is a transaction. Here you need to select this standard POWL, press execute. Now this is application ID. You need to search your application ID. So our application ID was this. Select this and go to the maintain type. Type we got from the debugger screen. Search for that. So this is the type. Double click on that. Once you double click on that, you will find a feeder class. For me, I already create a custom feeder class, but if you doing the first time the POWL enhancement, you will see the standard class. So simply you can copy that standard class to the custom class and you maintained here.